Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to copy one page to another in Canva. Before we get started, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel as it really helps me out. So to start with, you need to open up your different designs that you want to copy from and to. So I've got this pink portfolio open, as you can see, and I've got a different portfolio open here. But say I wanted to copy some of these pages over. So if I just want to copy one page, I just select the one page. If I want to copy multiple pages, what you can do is click the Shift key and then click on the different pages you want to copy. From there, Control C, and then head on over to your other design, click where you want to add the different pages, and then Control V. You can see those different pages have been added. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.